and I was briefed like how the practical and theoretical section would be, and how the training would be, and there would be notes and.
Hello and welcome to the Awdiz success story. Today we are going to cover a new IT aspiring journey of an ex-alumni student named Manishankar. He has started his journey in networking and currently working as a network engineer with a package of 2.7 LPA. So now we are going to hear about his IT journey. So hi Manishankar.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So just give you a brief regarding like your education and all this thing.
Okay, I have completed my BSc IT in 2021 from SIS College, Mumbai University, and I was preparing for as a software engineer earlier, but I can't fulfill that one, so I choose to switch to network.
Okay.
And I got to know like with 100% placement a course is being given, so I applied over here, enrolled over here.
Okay, so like switching your journey from like coding to infrastructure.
Yeah.
So why do you know about this infrastructure field?
Like in BSc IT course, it was networking also was a part of that course, so I was having some basic. So I thought like after software I was not able to learn, so other one should be working.
Great. So how do you know about this Awdiz?
I got to know like from Instagram.
When you like come toward this, like how was your counseling done and all?
Counseling was nice. Like I was given like what would we say at the earlier stage. First would be network engineer. After that you can switch to securities also, cloud also. I was briefed on that, and I was briefed like how the practical and theoretical section would be, and how the training would be, and there would be notes and 24/7 assistance for if any doubts.
So like when coming to the like when you enroll after that, so how was your like practical sessions and like how was your training sessions?
Training sessions were very nice. Like they would used to provide videos also. Like what we would learn, we could learn at home also after doing.
So like when you are learning, what are the hurdles you face?
There are no hurdles. Like we can use notes and we use Google and videos also, which was taught in the lecture.
And when come to your placement part, so right now you have got placed. How are you feeling by that?
I got in a nice company. It's like a data center company. It's going to be a data center company. Like it's been building over there. So it's a nice company. So I can be in a good path.
And what is your future like further? What is the aim and all this as you enter in this domain? So like what is your like further aims after like
I would like to enroll in clouding. So in that company, clouding is also there. So that would be a great opportunity. I got placed in that one.
Hope you are getting future and you like accomplish your aim and all this.
Yeah.
So this is Manishankar who has started his journey from coding, his find difficulties, and then he moved on to the like networking, and Awdiz has helped him to come into this network position. Further, we also like give a good luck to move into the cloud domain and all. Thank you.